stop. Before you skip this, I'm about to share a simple 100 rupee rule that can completely change the way you build wealth. And no, it doesn't require a high salary, a business, or even investing thousands of rupees. The best part, almost anyone can start today. Here's the rule. Every single time money comes into your hands, whether it's your salary, pocket money, freelance income, a gift, or even cashback, immediately move 100 rupees into a separate savings or investment account before you spend a single rupee. It sounds too simple, which is exactly why most people never do it. Here's the truth. Getting rich isn't about making one big financial decision. It's about repeating small decisions again and again and again. Think about it. Most people don't become broke because of one expensive purchase. They become broke because of hundreds of tiny purchases that felt harmless in the moment. 100 rupees, 99 rupees here, 149 rupees there, 299 rupees during a sale. None of them feel important, but together, they quietly destroy your financial future. Now imagine reversing that habit. Instead of automatically spending, you automatically save first. That one action sends a powerful message to your brain. My future comes before today's impulse. And over time, that identity becomes stronger than temptation. Here's a simple example. Two people earn exactly the same income. The first person spends first and saves whatever is left. The second person follows the 100 rupee rule. Every time money arrives, 100 rupees disappears into savings before anything else. After a year, the biggest difference isn't just the money, it's the habit. One person has trained their brain to consume. The other has trained their brain to build wealth. And habits don't just grow your bank balance, they change your entire mindset. Remember this, you don't become rich because you save 100 rupees. You become rich because you become the kind of person who always pays their future first. So here's today's challenge. For the next 30 days, every time money enters your hands, save 100 rupees before you spend anything. Then come back and tell me how it changed the way you think about money. Follow for more psychology-based money lessons that can completely change your financial future.